Hello guys, welcome back to the Latin Cyber. Today we're gonna be diving in managing users account. Just it's gonna be easy, so guys, just follow along. First, we're gonna create a group. We're gonna click on user, then new. We're gonna go group. We're gonna call that group sale group. We can leave like a global domain or let's just leave a global domain. So now when I create a user, when I call clean user new and the bottom here user, and I call the user James for user login. This is James. So here let's add the password. So here we have the user must change the password as the next login. So it's like you have to think if you're working so in a company and it's a new user, new guy, and that's gonna be the way that you're gonna create his account because nobody wants like to know that somebody else know their password. So that's the best way. You say, okay, you create a user, you explain to the new guy, look, that's gonna at the next login you have to change your password. So here, account disable. It's like if it's somebody's in maternity leave, it's gonna be out for a little while the company, and that account using it, you can click in account disable. Here, the next one is a password never expire. So that can be depend. It's not good options, because some company have a policies that after 30 days, you have to change your password because think about it like the security issues. So if like hacker, so you know exploit you and get and know what is your password, he can actually go to the company to your credential. User cannot change the password, so it's that all depend. I don't know about too much. So let's continue. We now we click next and finish. So now the next step we're gonna show you how you can add the user as a group cell. When I click in gens, we're gonna go properties. We're gonna member off, and we're gonna search. I'm gonna click add. You're gonna sales and click enter. So we're gonna click and sell. So like this way you're gonna add. So now you have added, okay. You had it as let me show you that you had it you have added chance already, okay. So now James is part of the sale. So we go again properties, member and say here we are a member of the sale group. That's the way that you can you can add a user to a group. So another thing that we should over it is if you wanna reset password, just you click reset. It's not gonna reset. If you wanna add a group as well, you can click and add to the group. Disable account, you can go to disable account. You don't have to go the way I. So, for example, we want a user. For example, user was out for 10 day holiday, and he come back. He doesn't remember the password. He gonna, send you an email and say that he forgot his password. You wanna ask for his credential, and then to verify that he's a real user. That somebody that he knows somebody else. So, and then after you confirm all the personal information, you're gonna go to reset password here, and then you're gonna add the new user. And no, you're gonna add, sorry, the new password. And like he say here, use a machine password as the net login, which means you say, look, that's you you reset a password and then you send it the password. That's a new password, and you explain to him after he login, he gonna have to change the password. Um, there's we can go through. So now, let's go and create a template account. So we're gonna go and clean the container user. We're gonna go new, clean user. We're gonna underscore sales user. I'm gonna say user dash user. For the login, I wanna set the same thing. Just call sales use not say user. I would say sales. Let's go down settle one. I'm gonna click next. We're gonna leave that account disabled because that's gonna be a template. So like it's a template, just we're gonna click and disable. Add the password. Then the password. We click next. Uh, next. So the reason I added on this call because that's gonna be the way it's gonna be first. Like we can see here, it's right here. The underscore allow us to put the user as a first. Now we're gonna put that template. We're gonna add it as a group cell. We're gonna search cell. Click OK. Uh, you can see it's being added successfully. Now that's a template for every time that a new user for sale. So like that, you don't have to go the hard process again. Just okay, if there somebody that's a new guy come for sale, so you go to the templates just and you create. For example, say okay, let's see Maria. Maria is a new the new he's gonna be the new guy. So we click on copy. We say Maria. She's gonna be working now for sales. So Maria, we are Maria. Um, I missed the date. Maria for the login, like just Maria to make it easy for us. Maria. Um, Maria, and we click next. We just click here because what we create a template disable. Just we click and disable. Now it's not now it's enabled. We leave it like that. Use a motion password at the next login. So we add a password. click next, and finish. So when we go to Maria to see what member of or what group belong, just we're gonna go to properties, member of, and you see Maria is already a member of. So that's, I believe that's it, and a way that you can make it a process quickly when you already create a template. And for example, if you have sales, you have marketing, so you create a template for marketing, for sales. So every time they hire a new people, a new person for the sale market, so just you go to the templates and copy, and like that you don't have to, do all the thing. For me, I felt like it's easy, you know, and quick. So now we're gonna close activity directory user account. We're gonna click into, we're gonna click in add to directory administration center. I believe that was introduced 2002, which been for a long time. So that's I remember that. I don't remember. I think it was the year, and just now we're gonna. So here's gonna make it bigger. Um, I will I will select my domain. I select my domain. And now after that I select it, it shows us the domain structure. So we have building, computer, domain controller, key, data. We click here and my domain again. Right now is gonna be more easy for us to show. So here we have as well we can create a user. If you wanna create a user, just you click new here. Uh we click new and we say user. So we show something. I don't know if here the layout is different. So you see that we have like first name, last name, full name. You see login, and we have password and phone number, etc. Email, which the layout is most different and look like more look different. So if we close it, uh and we click on user again, so we can see all the people users that we have created already. We have still dash one, we can see Jens, we can see how that's it's almost the same thing. We have the same power to create a user that is, but I felt that way it looked like more easy because it's displayed different layout. Now we're gonna look for Jens. Um, we see we go gens and then we go properties. We're gonna click in member of. We see that James is a member of cell. Let's see that James is not working anymore for cell, and you need to remove James from the users, from the members. Sorry, from sales. But you don't want to delete the account. You just remove him from the sales. So they don't need him no more. So we click on member off and then we go here and remove. So like you see, he's gone. He have been removed from sales. And you we click OK in the bottom right here. Okay, what is nice about that here, we're gonna click in that arrow to expand it. So pay attention to the here. That power share is great. So it's like the PowerShell history that everything you had done. In that case, the only we did was remove gems from cell and here. Yeah, I feel like you can use the same script if you and use the PowerShell if you wanna delete another user. Just the only thing you're gonna have to do here is just change the name right here. Example, if you wanna Maria, just you copy the script because allow you to copy here, and then when you paste in PowerShell, so just you shame the name for Maria and gonna do the same thing. Gonna remove user for sale because that's the script for remove user from sale. So the other thing that I feel like is really nice, if you wanna search for user for certain condition, so we click in that arrow here, we click here. Sorry, we had to move the arrow up and click right here. You click here, we say add criteria. We click here. So if you wanna search for user with the disabled or enable account, you click right here. You select and add. So it's where I can search and click and user with spider passwords. You know, some users that if the company have a policy that every 6 months you have to change your password, and just you don't just you want to search because everybody said they has changed the password and you want to confirm that it's true. Just you click and users with spider password and automatically gonna search for all users within the domain that have spider password. So as well we can figure out the people if you haven't enabled so which is if for example if you haven't logged in like for certain days to your computer, we can figure it out from here. We click here. Usually we enable account who had no login for more the given day. So it can be 3 or 4 days. I don't know what is the company policies, but it's right here, that one. So now we're gonna get out, we're gonna close. So guys, that's it for the video. So remember, if you find the video that was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe, and see you to the next video.